How to fix weak signal issues on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple guide to troubleshooting and improving weak signal issues on your iPhone. So let's get started. The first thing that you can do is head over to your settings, and here you can toggle this airplane mode button on and then you can toggle it off. So what basically it will do is that it will take you off from the cellular line and then reconnect you to the same network. So it will basically reset or restart your network line. That most of the time fixes the issue. However, if the issue is still there, you can click on cellular over here and you can click on the cellular data. You can toggle it off and then toggle it on. And that will basically take you off from the cellular data line and then connect you back again. So the next thing you can do is that you can click on network selection over here, and then you can, toggle this button off, and after that basically it will take you off from the automatic, and you can just choose the specific SIM card that you use. For example, you're going to click on this and then it will basically reconnect you to the telephone tower nearest to your SIM. If the issue is still there, you can just click on cellular data options and then you can toggle this data roaming option on and then you can turn it off. Or sometimes the issue might be because you have enabled the low data mode on. So you can, if it is toggled on, you can click on it in order to turn it off. However, if you do so and the issue is still there, you can come back to your settings, scroll down and click on general. And after that, you could scroll all the way to the bottom and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Here, you gotta click on reset. And then you gotta click on reset network settings. Here, you gotta type down your phone's passcode. And after that, you gotta click on reset network settings. So this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults, or basically reset any of your customized network settings that is preventing you from the default network settings and hence preventing you to have good signal issues. After doing all of these options, your issue would be resolved. However, if the issue is still there, it might be because of your physical device. You'll be able to see a matte capsule shape on the side of your iPhone. So sometimes the issue might be because a case blocks that shape. And so you can try taking your case off and after that reconnecting to the network, and you should get good signals after that. So that is basically how you can troubleshoot and improve weak signal issues on iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.